Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Jessica with my reviews and what to do's. Today I'm taking a look at what to do with this chicken-shaped microwave egg boiler that I purchased from Wish.com. I'll pop how much I purchased this for on the screen. In the words of many well-known YouTubers, let's get started. First, remove the top of the chicken. You'll see a microwave-safe metal alloy insert inside. I don't know what it's made of, but it doesn't spark in the microwave. When you remove the insert and look into the base, you'll see a water level fill line. Fill the water up to that line, then put the metal insert back in. You might see some water come through the little holes, but that's fine. For this, I'm using an extra large sized egg. If you look at the egg, you'll notice a rounder part of the egg and a pointier side. The rounder side is where an air pocket usually forms when you cook the egg. You'll want to pierce it so it doesn't create pressure and explode in the microwave. I have one of these egg piercers that you can poke a tiny hole into the egg, but if you don't have one of these, you can use a tack or a sewing needle. Put the egg into the cooker with the hole facing upward so steam can escape through it. When you look at the top of the chicken, you'll see a hard-to-see downward-facing triangle. Line it up with the hard-to-see upward-facing triangle on the right of the base. Gently lock the lid by twisting the lid to the left so the top triangle lines up with the left triangle on the base. Presto, like so. In the microwave, I put a paper towel down to help me absorb any moisture that might come out and to help me take out the egg afterward. I set the microwave for 6 minutes for a medium boiled egg, which is how I like my eggs. I found with my microwave 5 minutes is soft boiled and 7 minutes is hard boiled. It's all a matter of minutes. Microwave cook times may vary, so you might need to figure out what time makes the best eggs for you. When taking the egg boiler out of the microwave, be careful, it's really hot. Use the paper towel to take it out. I even tried taking it out without it by using the red crown on the chicken, and the red paint came off onto my fingers. Not sure how good that is for me, but what to do? Get some water with some ice in it. By the time you do this, you should be able to remove the top of the chicken. Be careful, the egg itself is still hot. Quickly put the egg into the water to stop it from cooking just from the residual heat. Wait a little bit for the egg to cool in the water, but in the meantime, put the egg cooker away. I usually just rinse it with cold tap water. Then I would get a plate, bowl, or paper towel so I can eat the egg on it. When I tap or crack my egg, I start with the side that had the hole and then gently work my way around. I think it lets the residual water get into the egg, making it easier to peel. I found that using the egg cooker in the microwave made it easier to peel eggs compared to using boiling water in a pot. I can even peel this egg with one hand while holding the camera with the other. What a nice, perfectly cooked medium-boiled egg. Yum! If you enjoyed this video, then thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Well, until next time, goodbye and take care.